Hi there, here is a short video to explain how to use this interface for teaching. The address to the board is sent to the students, so they basically click on it and they can access the board immediately, right? So they end up with that kind of screen. So to start off with, you can have a few things here to write. So I created an example. So I'll write here. As you can see, that's very easy. Okay, so that's an example. I will show you how an example with some maths, some English, and then some maths again. So you have the pen here. You have the eraser. The icon here is to insert some images, PDF files, audio files, videos. You have what I like a lot here. You have the possibility to add a sticky note. I will show you. You have some tools for maths, and I will show you the other possibilities as we go. On the left, you have some colors, the choice of colors, sizes, whatever. You can go here, and then you go to settings, and you have the possibility to select the settings that you like and that you want or need. So here, for example, adding and subtracting unlike fractions. So some exercises, you can use the pen on the documents that you uploaded, of course. So very easy, you can show and explain the students what they need to do. I will upload, so first let's go down the page a bit. So I will upload more exercises that I will put here. You can move up and down the pages, right? Which is of course very easy. Let's drag and drop some exercises. There we are. So the exercises will appear on the screen here. There we go. Of course, I can move them. I can resize them, obviously, which was useful in this case. I will lock them, and then I can write on this, of course. So let's go down here. So for example, I will take the pen in black. So I will do the exercise with the students. I can select the colors. So 1, 2, 3. So let's keep it in green. There we are. So here is the answer to this exercise. As I said, I can add a sticky note. For example, here, I can select the color, the size, okay? So, and then I could type anything I want. To add or subtract, unlike fractions, you need the same. There we go. So this sticky note here that I have can be edited, can be locked, can be made bigger, smaller, you name it. Okay, so there we are. Other examples of what could be done. Some English, right? So I will drag and drop some exercises. The exercises will appear just now. There we go. What I will do, I will make them a bit bigger, of course. Yeah, there we are. I'll leave it here. I will lock it. I can use the pen, of course. My father reads 2 newspapers every day. I could very well do this. Let's erase this. And for example, let's say I want to type the correct answer. Take the pen. Long press here, and then I can type with the keyboard. What I have just typed there can be moved, can be made bigger, smaller. Okay. Other example, some maths again. Let's come back to maths. Let's say I want to teach and to explain some functions. So you have this tool here, but first I will show you something else there. You have the possibility of a board chat. which is easy to use. You can have a phone conversation, voice chat, and video chat. But for this, of course, you need to be connected. You need to have 2 or 3 people connected at the same time, which I can't do it now, right? So let's close this. Formats, you have a wonderful tool here. You can, of course, have access to all the signs that you need. Formats. And if you go back here, for example, you have the possibility to write what you want, okay? And then you insert what you have written there, and it appears on the site. It can be made smaller, bigger, you name it, okay? Then you can insert the function here, okay? Graphic, right? Of course, you have several possibilities. I'm sure you can go through this, no problem. I can move it here, can resize it, okay? Let's put it there. Let's lock it, so I can write on it several things. So that's another possibility for teaching. So that's kind of easy to use. And well, I hope you enjoyed this video.